Credit card invalid error. Do this to fix it fast. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So one of our clients got this credit card error. Now this one looked even worse. It said your account is completely inactive. You're required to add a new credit card and verify your identity. So it's like a double whammy, which clients love, and we love it so much. But sometimes it also looks like this, where it just says credit card invalid, right? So I'm just going to go over why this happens. And number one is maybe your credit card expired. Your bank thought the transaction was fraudulent. Maybe Amazon charged you a significant amount of money. Maybe they usually charge you like $40 a month. All of a sudden they're charging you $600. Accidentally did a chargeback, incorrect billing address. Maybe your credit limit was reached and Amazon tried to charge the card and then it didn't go through, right? So just make sure that you call. I would recommend to call your credit card company first and be like, hey, like it's giving me this error. Is there any errors on your end? Just call them, okay? It won't hurt. And then if it's not your credit card company, then it's time to just triple check. Hey, is it expired? What's the billing address? You can ask them all these questions just to see, did I reach my credit limit? Did someone try to charge a card? It didn't go through. Just ask them those questions to get it resolved, right? And then here's some faster solutions. So if you're talking about ads, you can just use a different credit card, or actually for ads, you can also make sure it's deducted from your Seller Central account. But that usually won't fix this issue or this issue, but it could help if it's just regarding ads. And for the future, my recommendation is have multiple credit cards on hand, because sometimes Amazon doesn't like a credit card and they want a different one. So have like a Visa, get a Master card, get a Discover card, get all the different cards, right? Have multiple cards, get your Visa, get your MasterCard, get your Discover, get your Amex, right? I think those are the main ones. So just get one of each is my recommendation, so you have some backups. Anyway, so here it is. Once you click on view credit card info, or continue to fix it, it's going to take you to the credit card page to fix it, right? So so right now it's literally telling us the error right here. Can't charge the card. So all you have to do is replace it with a new card. Again, make sure your name on it, make sure the expiration date's good, make sure everything matches, and just update it for every single marketplace. So if you're selling Canada, Amazon, all of them, update the credit card for all of them to the new credit card. And then once you do that, it should be good to go. And then the error should be gone. As you can see right here, the error is completely gone. And once we go back to the Amazon account, everything is good to go. So just triple check those, and sometimes it takes a second. So I would change the credit card, wait an hour and see if there's any errors, and then come back in an hour and then switch the entire credit card. You can also, if you really wanted to, use a friend's credit card, put their name in, or a significant other, right? Amazon just wants their money. So if you can do that, that's a good temporary fix. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below of a thumbs up emoji if this video helped you. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising. We'll notice if there's a credit card error before you do, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like logging in, checking account status, performance notifications, listings, calling Amazon. Let us do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.